Oh, Scott from Wessex Blades, trying a new position here. So this one is now available. This is a huge batch I'm getting through at the moment of Danelaw size blades. I'm just getting into the swing of doing some leather work again after a break of doing other things. So it's a Hernal sort of profile with Burl handle and red resin infill, brass handle pins, and I've got a Hearn icon there. That's the new custom ones I'm doing now with the laser cutter. Got a hand finished flat on it. A slightly higher bevel than normal. Usual micro bevel, convex edge, so you should see it glint just any second now. It should be there in a glint in. And I love the sheath. I've done it in sort of burgundy colour with some sort of tiger stripes. Yeah, that's the back. Always look at the back. So if you think your leather's great, front's fine, running around. Go. Wessex style stitching on the back there, so it's double stitched most of it, so it's really in there. Put a D in there anyway in case I wanted to do an extra dangler loop later point. That's a sweet sheath, and of course great retention. Wessex Blades, so that's available now. Anybody's interested, you've got to hit me up on my email, wessexbladesuk@yahoo.com. Thank you ever so much, everybody, backing up the channel, saying hello, leaving comments, leaving likes. Big thanks to Patreon. I got a new beautiful little tripod there by Manfrotto. Just the pivot ball on it, it's bloody lovely. You put a little button and you can just, it's really sweet. So thanks for all your support on Patreon. I'm looking to keep growing the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for joining me. Remember, 2 videos to watch either side, whichever way I've put the template. Keep watching. Scott Wessex Blades out.